Grand Rising Collective, what's going on? How are you? Something that was just brought to my attention as I looked at the clock. What somebody might be trying to do based on what I just looked at the clock and what happened in here. They might be trying to do something. You know how you can look at the clock and see your birthday on the clock, like the month and the month and the day. You know how you could look at the clock and see your month and the day of your birthday. They might be doing something at that time. Like, let's say these people know your birthday and your birthday is 12/16. I'm just throwing out a random number. It could be relevant, it could not be. But let's say it's 12/16. At 12/16, they could be doing something. Okay? So just be aware of your energy around whatever your birthday is on the clock. It's so funny that it happened right as I was getting ready to turn on the video. So it happened for a reason, okay? Because they're probably doing that. Because them wanting to do, it's like this person doesn't want to wait for your birthday or something. It's like if they don't want to wait for your birthday, or they're trying to do it on your birthday time, because again, it's about numbers too. They have obsessions with numbers and obsessions with everything, because again, the devil is involved. So everything is an obsession. Okay, so just be aware, like if you see your birthday on the clock, just be aware of what's, like, take note of what's happening at that time, what's going on at that time. Is it your birthday time? Like, is somebody doing something? Is something strange in your energy? It's just another thing to look at, because these people are sick. They really want healing, and they want their starter rise. They want rejuvenation, and they don't have it. So they're targeting people any single way that they can. Every single way, that they can. Okay. I have a story, collective. Like, I don't know what the heck this was last night, but it's definitely something I need to share with the collective. I feel intuitively what it is. Like, I know what I feel intuitively. Okay, what this could have been. So, the bathroom window. Okay. They're very obsessed with the bathroom. Okay. And if you have a window by your shower, or a mirror by your shower, or some other type of portal by your shower, they're going to be doing a lot of stuff around here because they want to do rituals in the bathtub. I just cleaned my window, because I clean this window regular, like every day. I check it, because they love to put webs. They like to hide them and put them in places I won't see them. So I have to check it thoroughly every day. I just checked the window, collective. I just cleared it out, because it's like they're trying. And then there's activity. There's energy. And I'm guided to the window. But the window's closed. Okay. I opened the window, because I said these people are psychopaths. It don't matter if it's open or closed. They're still doing stuff. I opened the window. There is, and I'm gonna put because I had to video record this. Because sometimes I don't remember to take pictures or video record things. This time, something said, you better record this, because nobody's gonna believe you. I'm lucky if people believe my other stories. I don't have a reason to lie, but I have no reason to lie. These people are crazy. I got better things to do than talk about these stupid people. But these things sent something to my house. In the web this time. This web was not in the corner because the window was closed, I guess. But they put it like in the window sill, like that part here that opens and closes, right along that part here. Okay, it was like done nicely over there, but there's, and I'm gonna put the video in the video so you can see it while I'm talking. There's this little caterpillar like cocoon collective. Okay, I was like, what? And it's not just a cocoon like just in the middle of the web. Okay, it's moving. It's moving. I just cleaned this window, which means within a few hours they did this, because I closed it. I cleaned it and closed it because it was chilly. This little thing in the video was, it was like opening like this, like kind of like, it looked like it was struggling to breathe, child. At the time that it happened, I didn't know. I was still registering this. I was still shocked. But then after some sleep, my intuition said, there's a person in there. There's a spirit inside of that thing. There's a spirit inside of this little cocoon that's on the web. Something that is struggling to breathe. What made me really notice was the way it was breathing. It was like it was like, you know, it just looked like it was struggling. I said, what the fuck is going on here? So what I think these people did was project somebody into that cocoon and put it in the window so that it can be close to whoever is in the home. I could almost say that I know that's what the fuck it was. It was wrapped up like a mummy or something. Like it was like, in the way it was moving, it was like it was sick. It's like, it's like I have different theories. One theory is that it's a sick spirit looking for healing, and it needs to be in the place of where they're trying to get it from, which are the people in the home. Ain't no way in hell that just landed on my window while it was closed like that. It's just not. I know my home. I know my windows. I check them every single day, and I've never seen anything like that before. And it was lit. If it wasn't breathing like that, I would say this is something that's just sitting in there. It got stuck or something, but this thing was moving, and I recorded it because I said, somebody's got to see this. Like, what is going on here? This thing is breathing like but it looked like it's struggling. I wish I had a better camera, like to get a better shot of it. I tried my best to, you know, with the quality and all that, but you could see what it's doing. Like it's like going in and out. So it's like something is living in there. I said, they sent like something. It's like a little body or something, like a little version of something, of a person or something. So it's like, it's almost like sending this person to your home to get healed from you. And like energy harvest. Like just imagine something like that in your home and you can't see it. Okay? Now I just happen to see it. I don't know. I'm gonna look to see if there's any other ones anywhere else. Okay? But Just imagine somebody sending something like that and it's somewhere you can't see it. And you're around it every day and you don't know it's there. And that thing is just breathing or whatever the hell it's doing. And whatever it's doing, I'm imagining that is getting something from whoever's in the household. I'm so glad that I went to the window, because I was like, only God knows what it would have looked like if I didn't kill it and get rid of it hours later or something. You know what I'm saying? Who knows what it would have grew into, or what it would have evolved into, or something. It looked, but it had the webs attached around, like the webs. It was neatly placed in the web, in alive, like this. Whatever that I'd never seen. I said, these people are insane. Do you understand? Like, insane in their brain. I think it's a person or something in there. It's like a baby, like they sent a baby to, it's like, imagine opening your door and seeing a little baby wrapped up in a blanket. What would you do? You would probably bring it inside. You would probably care for it. I feel like it was something like that. I don't think it was anything good. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think it was anything good, collective. Let's see what the cards say it was. Let's see what the cards say, because I don't think it was anything good. What deck should I get? The book. Okay, let me get the book first. Let's see. Because that was, I'm so glad I recorded it. I'm going to try my best to record from now on, because it's like, this is crazy. Turkey. Turkey peacock. Okay, turkey peacock. Could be relevant. Parking meter. Okay, so my park card is like a hoe. Okay, that's what the card means. It means somebody in the park being a hoe. So this could have came from somebody in a park. Like somebody that's doing something in a park. And like, remember what I said? I've been channeling a lot of people coming around where you are, because they're losing everything. So they really got to get close to whoever they're trying to do this to. Like, for example, I was watching this person's channel, and they said that when these people want to do a hex on you, they need to go near you and bury it, whatever that's like that they make like a doll or something of you, and they want a coffin or something, but they put you in a coffin. They got to come bury it next to you or something. Like, they got to find the nearest crossroad that's next to you. These people are crazy, okay? Ciao. So somebody could have been in a park doing something like this, a near park, or they could be a hoe too. Parking meter could be significant. Somebody could have parking tickets. This could be a relative, somebody related to you, or your kinship partner. Somebody you were in a relationship with could have done this, or be a part of this, whatever this is here. This could be somebody who follows you online, a follower or supporter. Childbirth could be significant. You could have a child with this person who's ever doing anything like this. Or if you've ever seen anything like this, or just somebody who's practicing these things and trying to attach your name to it or something, or your life. There goes duck again. Duck is here. Duck, courtyard, patio. You could have seen something like this. As a matter of fact, that's the perfect place to put spider webs. It's all over the patio. Nobody goes out there and really looks for these things. You know, like maybe you need to check your patio, your porch, or something like that. Maybe something like that is out there. Okay, because this looked like some alien shit trying to absorb energy from my household. That's really what I think it is here. And they're using it's like they're projecting into this thing, and they want to get as close to you as possible. So they have to project into something, and they tried that. That's what I'm seeing here. I see passion. Passion is like fire in the tarot deck. So this could be a fire sign, somebody with fire placements. Passport, they could have traveled overseas, or just passport could be relevant. We have Easter, Passover, or Christmas, could be significant. Past time, this could be somebody you spent holidays with doing this garbage here. Okay? A father, somebody's father could be doing this, or somebody's father could be relevant. Sideburns, somebody could have sideburns, could be relevant. This could be about inheritance or heritage. And one more word. Where's my finger going? Where? Pastry and pie. Wow, you know what pie is if you watch this channel. So pie is a couple of things it could mean. Okay, it could mean the community, the pedo community pie. It could mean pastry, somebody who bakes cakes, somebody who makes things like that. Somebody who bakes a lot or likes pie. What does it mean to you? But somebody's come around you. Who is this person that's coming around the collective doing this crazy alien nonsense? Somebody is struggling here. I would tell somebody is struck, because the way it was breathing, it was like it was child. When I looked at it, I saw a person. I said, "Who is this?" That's like one of the first things I said. Like, who's in there? Yeah, who's in there? Collective. Somebody was in there. Okay, it's like they're sending people to your house, child, and disguising them inside of these little cocoons and webs. It was perfectly sitting within the web like a little baby, okay? It was carefully placed in there. Who is this? Who? Okay. Here we go. You think I'm making it up to you. Collective, you always think I'm making it up. No. Cancer in reverse. Capricorn. Capricorn or Cancer, could be you, could be them. The truth is coming out about somebody here, a Virgo. So we have Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn, and Pisces so far. That could be doing this, or this could be you. Something is coming out about this person. Their attachment to the devil. Virgo could be significant. See somebody inside, it look like kind of like inside of something, nestled inside of something. This doesn't really look like it, but this, I'm looking at like the webs are outside of it and it's inside of something. Like it's something, just, it was weird, man. I'm so glad I recorded it. I'm telling you. Whew. Okay, Queen of Pentacles flipped out. So somebody is stepping into their Queen of Pentacles shoes. I don't know if the camera caught that, but it flipped out really funny. Somebody's walking into their Queen of Pentacles shoes, okay? Or they're pulling this in their cards, okay? You might not pull cards on yourself, but these nosy people are, okay? You don't have to pull cards on yourself. That's not something that you have to do. But these people are stalking people's future, okay? And that's what they want. They want your life. They're crazy. They're psychopaths. What's going on? This person is doing something out of control. They could have a car accident maybe. Okay, the devil could be telling this person, you about to have a car accident. I'm not wishing that on nobody. I'm reading cards. I'm telling you, it comes out all the time. I'm not wishing this on anybody. I'm reading cards. This can happen. These people make oaths with demons. How many times have we seen in the media these car accidents? It's not anything new. So, with that being said, something can get out of control in this car. Or this is a Cancer that's out of control, that's in court, or doesn't want to go to court with the Justice card I just saw in reverse. Okay? Something is coming out about this person. A lot of things are coming out about this person. And it's tied to a Virgo in reverse. Somebody that's not doing well. You don't have to be a Virgo. You could be another sign, but somebody that's not doing well. Financially, they're struggling. They could have lost their job. They don't have any motivation. They don't have perseverance. They don't have patience to wait. They don't have time to wait. Yeah, we got Aquarius, Gemini, and Cancer. Okay, somebody very codependent. Somebody who's not, somebody's not independent. They're very codependent. Maybe this is like an adult that depends on their parents or something. Very dependent on their parents, or very dependent. Can't stand on their own too. Okay, somebody who can't heal. Somebody here very, very dependent here. This could be a male or a female. But they can't heal from something, which is very important. Somebody is struggling, child. There was somebody in that damn cocoon. Yeah, we got more Cancer energy. You had a sudden awareness. Somebody had a sudden awareness and chose happiness regarding these people. Somebody moved away from these people with the 4 of Cups. Somebody said, you know what, something is going on with these people here. Somebody in your life, you're just getting hunches about this person. Hunches. Like, I don't know about this person or what they're doing here. Don't feel right. We got Fallen Angel. We got negative Sag, Taurus, Aries in reverse. We got Earth in reverse. Somebody very lazy. Okay, and we have the Divine watching them right here. Watching them. Okay, looking at them. What are they doing? The Divine is watching what they're doing because they're watching you. Okay, they could be watching you when you leave your house or when you travel. Or this person could have left their house to travel because they were at home struggling. Or this could also be looking at somebody. This person's looking at themselves in prison right now. That's what they're doing. We got Fire, Gemini, trying to avoid a painful ending like we did. But ancestors are in reverse with them. Okay, because we've moved on. We're peaceful. We have charity. We have help. We're good. We're minding our damn business. That's what 5 of Cups in reverse is, minding our damn business. And taking care of ourselves and just being peaceful. Okay, and this person is greedy. This is a very greedy person. They could have an alcohol drinking problem. Okay, they could have, with the Temperance in reverse next to 9 of Cups in reverse, this person definitely has some sort of addiction. Definitely is out of balance, sick, not well, but very greedy. This sickness in the 9 of Swords is not changing their greed. It's not changing their attitude. It's not making them a better person. It's supposed to, but it's not. They're still an asshole. Yeah, that's what they are. What was the purpose? They want energy and be free. Yeah, this is what they want. They want your freedom here. They don't want to go to jail. They want your relationship. They want to have boom boom in the room. Okay, right there. Yep, they want to put it in something here. They want to put something in something here for your financial independence. And ancestor is watching them. Okay, watching them, watching to make sure they trying to touch the wheel here. They're lusting, stalking, and trying to cause illusions with this little cocoon. Okay, to the High Priestess. I can't make it up. They're stalking somebody. We got a couple of stalkers here. Somebody in a family that's moved on from. Okay, we're not dealing with this family anymore. It's in reverse. The dreams are shattered. Ever since you left, you took their karmic shield. You were this people's karmic shield, maybe whether you knew it or not. But they're stalking with the sword. They're stalking the mind. They're stalking what you're doing mentally, your thoughts. They could be stalking you online, trying to figure out your next move. Very eager and talking a lot of, they could be gossiping. Okay. They're not focused on themselves. They're focused on everybody else but them. This is Virgo, Libra in reverse. They can't sacrifice anybody in their family. Scorpio, Libra can't either. Okay, they're searching for Empress energy. That's balance. Capricorn, Taurus, Gemini energy to do the hokey pokey with. They want to get nasty. They're having a tower. It's going to be a nasty tower. They're going to get nasty, but it's not going to be sexually. It's going to be tragically. It's going to be bad. Something is going to suddenly happen. And it's just these people's destiny. That's why they want your destiny. Because nothing is going to suddenly happen to you. I mean, not like what's going to happen to them, because you didn't make these decisions. You didn't make these decisions. These are people that could be in your family or close to your family that made very bad decisions. And instead of dealing with those consequences, they want to use other people to escape those consequences. And they don't care who it is. They don't care what they got to take from anybody. These people take from the children in the family. These people take from the children that are in your family. They're taking from the children and giving it back to them every Christmas. That's what they do. Okay? Yeah. They're going to be in court. And they have no protection. They have no defense. They have nothing strong. Ancestors in the divine have stripped this person of anything that they could use to lie or deceive the jury. Okay? I'm telling you. They're going to get arrested or put to rest. One or the other. But I don't think this person is rejuvenating. This is the person that was in a cocoon. Could have been a Cancer, one of the first signs that came out, or a Libra, or maybe Sagittarius, Scorpio, Aries, Cancer in reverse. Somebody could have Cancer. Somebody could have, you know, maybe if whatever they did to your ancestor, they could have the same thing they did to your ancestor, something like that. They're getting the same, okay, probably worse, collective. If they're shooting people into cocoons and coming to your house, child. Somebody need to check their patio or their porch or something. Somebody need to go out there and do a little searching, because these people put these things in places that you would never look. They're watching you and they want to see, where does the collective never go to? Let's put it there. That's what they're doing. So you need to go to these places that you never go to. All right, a couple more cards off this deck. They're about to run in. They're not at home. Their home is in reverse. So they're about to have a run-in with some conflict. Okay, because they're having delays. They're trying to do something to Taurus here. They're making very bad. They're trying to wedge this person in between their bad decisions and their delays and setbacks that they're having. They want to squeeze this person in here. Okay, for success. Somebody could be in a public eye. A child could be relevant. Somebody could be happy, having success, and they're weak, struggling, sick, and scared. They're suffering. Strength card in reverse next to Three of Swords. This could be two people here. We could have Libra and Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Aries, suffering very bad. Negative fire, suffering very bad. Yeah, they're looking for pity, child. These people are saying, please help me. Again, you have free will, but I warn you, these people trying to take people out. If you want to help somebody that's trying to take you off this planet, by all means, go right ahead, collective. But I'm telling you, once they get strong enough off your energy, they will come back and try to do the same thing again. Because these people don't change. They don't change. There's some people that just don't change. It's okay. We're not changing either. We're not going to the bad side either. So it works the same. They're not coming to the good side and we damn sure ain't going over there. Like, it's just the same thing. That's it. They're not changing. It's okay. They're just, whatever's going to happen to them is going to happen to them. But somebody cannot get well here and they don't have any faith. And when you don't have faith, collective, we already know how this is going to end. Bad. Bad. Somebody could be gay. West New York could be significant. Somebody's trying to force labor. Okay, somebody's trying to force you to do this for them. Okay. Somebody's trying to force somebody to do this. Male cousin is watching you. This keeps coming out. This keeps coming out here. Let's talk about this a little bit, because I don't think that came out by accident. That's crazy. Even I'm a little shocked. Yeah. Somebody is trying to prevent a funeral by doing cremation rituals and human sacrifice, maybe at a local park or maybe on their patio. You know, it could, you know, a couple locations came out in the dictionary, so it could be relevant. Let me get a couple more words about this here. Cremation rituals, human sacrifice, funeral in reverse. White. White could be significant, could be a name, could be what somebody's wearing. There's a lot of groups that wear white. Take it as it resonates for you. Weariness. Web is here. Page 209. W could be significant. We're looking at W. So we have web, wedding, and white. Somebody wants to get married. Newlywed came out in the letters the other day, either in the community tab. I think in the community tab, newlywed came out. Somebody is trying to sacrifice somebody for a wedding. Not a funeral. It's in reverse. So we know the opposite of a funeral is a wedding or a birth or something like that. Somebody's whining. Somebody's whining a lot about their well-being, which is their health. Another thing when it comes to the word health, okay? I'm trying not to say it anymore. I don't know, like the word hell is in it. So well-being. I thought about that the other day. Maybe I was supposed to share it because I just saw the word well-being. So I don't want to say health anymore. I'm gonna start saying well-being because it's like, why would the word hell be in the word health? Like just, I thought about that a little bit. Like it was like, why would that word be in that word? Is it like a curse or something? So I don't say it anymore. I just wanted to share that. I don't know. Maybe it will help somebody, or maybe somebody thought about it, but well-being is better. Anyway, weep. Somebody's weeping. They're weary. They could have a weave in their hair. They could be mad about their weave. Some weave is here. They could be weaving webs. Hello, we have weave right next to web. It's the word right above web. Somebody's weaving a web for a wedding. Wedding is right. I got to show you this because you ain't going to believe me. Somebody is weaving a web for a wedding. Wednesday. Weekend is here. Welcome. Welfare. Somebody needs money, child. Okay. They want the best. Remember, I don't know if you remember this reading, but wedding came out and then criminal charges came out next to it and diamonds came out. Somebody is trying, like somebody really, and you got West here. West is here. Wet is here. Whale. What? And whatever is here. So it's like, somebody's like, what are you doing here? What are you talking about? So wheel is also here. Somebody wants somebody's wheel of fortune. They're trying to steer. Steering is here. They're trying to steer the wheel back to their direction. It's not going to work. It's not their destiny. These people are psychopaths. Somebody could be telling someone this is going to be worth one's while. It's going to be worth your while. It's going to be worthwhile if we do this. They could be trying to convince somebody it's going to be worthwhile if we do this. They're whining to this person. Whistle is here, whispering. Wax, they could be using candles. Wax, a wasp could be significant. Walker, somebody could use a walker to walk. Somebody's wealth is weak, so they need a weapon. Okay? Yeah. They need wages. And then they need to wake up. Wake is here. They need to wake up. That's what they need to do. Somebody just loves being a hoe. Okay, this is fun to them here. They enjoy this. Gives them a sense of false power, maybe. Because that's all it really is. Give me some letters for this. Cremation, ritual, human sacrifice, funeral, and liver. 35:12 on the clock. Walk along the seaside. Somebody could be on the beach. That's on the TV. Or water. It wouldn't surprise me if there's like CA. Could be CA was the first 2 letters to come out. CA. California could be significant. 49. AC. Z. Y. Why? Because you're stupid. KZ is here. Yes, you're KZ. It's stupid. KZ and stupid. Yes. Yes is here. Yes, that's what Divine said. Okay. G is here. And J. S could be significant. Peanut butter and jelly. PJ. Capricorn. Cap. A cap could be significant. P. Only one number came out. 49, 50 could be significant. Or 94 or 5. 51. Gypsy. Okay, if somebody considers themselves a gypsy or they're looking for gypsies, they want that gypsy energy, which is like a psychic, astrology. You know, people are just into this, high priestess energy. This comes out sometimes. Bypass. They're trying to bypass something. Okay. Page is here. Page of caps. Page of cups. Okay, so Page of Cups is here. This is a water sign. They want somebody who's intuitive. This could be a Page of Cups in reverse. Somebody who's very disappointed about their creation. Their whatever they're making here is not working out for them. This could be a negative water sign or a positive water sign that they're after. Somebody who's creative and has, they could, very similar to Page of Pentacles. Imaginative, sensitive. They're trying to attack somebody who's sensitive. Maybe you'll have mercy. Yeah. Not really. Yeah. BS is here. Yes, it is bullshit what this person is doing. I agree. Caps. Somebody got caps in their teeth. Agape or gape. Agape. Sabi. This keeps coming out a lot, so it could be relevant. It's been coming out for the past couple of days. It's very relevant. I wonder why it's here. Yeah, there's a couple names here, collective. A couple names here. Scorpio, Libra, definitely. Taurus, Libra. Virgo, Sag. Sag is here. Definitely Sagittarius and Virgo. Sebastian. Cape. Cape is here. Somebody can live by the water. Somebody can go out to the water and do spell work and witchcraft. Somebody's trying easy pass. Easy pass. Oh yes. They're gonna find you with your easy pass. That's what Spirit said. Check their easy pass. And don't try to get rid of it because easy pass tracks everything. And they're gonna ask you, where's your easy pass? Oh, you lost it? Did you try to get rid of it? somebody's not too smart. Somebody uses Easy Pass. Someone here could be a servant, a child care provider. They could do housework, a maid, maybe do it on the side or something. Have a company, a small business, a functioning addict, somebody who drinks a lot, somebody who smokes a lot, somebody who does something a lot, excessively. Sean is here without the N. Scientist, philosopher, intellectual. Somebody is, these people here, well, this functioning addict could be either of these people, right? Could be good or bad. Pink Rabbit is on the TV. It could be significant. These people here, the servant in the child care or something like that, or the philosopher, scientist, or intellectual, or mathematician, they could be good or bad. They could be the karmic or the non-karmic. Something happened on the water with somebody here. They're out by the water, or they do things by the water. Ocean is significant. Not just for my name, but other people have that name too. Or the ocean could just be an ocean, you know? But that's what it says here. Okay? Somebody's doing something out by the ocean. Maybe cremation rituals and human sacrifice by the ocean. Or a park. Or a patio. Jazz is here again. Jazzy, Jasmine. These people really need to get out the energy. They want charity. They want money. They want to be the benefactor of somebody's money that's not theirs. Maybe somebody who's seeking truth, investigating them. They're spying on this person because somebody's questioning what they're doing. Jab. Jab is significant. CPA. Somebody's a CPA. An accountant. I believe that's an accountant. This person might be raided or approached by the authorities. Some sort of disaster might happen. SEAL, Navy SEAL or SEAL, lazy, Sazy, Paisley, Paisley, bags, bag. Somebody could have bags with them. Like they can just be carrying a lot of luggage maybe. Passport. Somebody could be traveling. Somebody could be afraid of going on a plane or something. Because again, they put it out in the universe, so they know where it's going back. They should have did that. Like, these people are crazy, child. They live in their life in fear, like, because they kept doing stuff like that. These people need to go to the divine and get forgiveness and just really get their life together. Cassie, GPA, BPA, SAG, which is an actor, maybe somebody can be an actor. Give me something for cremation rituals, human sacrifice. Somebody made a pact. Gaze. Somebody could be moon gazing. They could be sun gazing or moon gazing. Somebody won't take a bribe, so it's going to leave them with failure and possibly homelessness. This is some sort of castaway who's now poor. Leo, Cancer could be relevant. Somebody could have Leo, Cancer placement. Casper is here. Somebody's being a ghost. Or somebody is now. I wonder if that was a spirit or something. Like of someone that passed away or something. Like somebody sent it here or some shit. Like, dude, like people are crazy. Like somebody tried to send a ghost to your house or some shit with that. Like people are nuts. What was that in the window? What is the cocoon? What is the cocoon? What is the cocoon? Gasp. Gasping for air. That's what the thing was doing. Gasp is here. Thank you, Spirit. Gasping. I told you the thing. That's a person inside of there. It's a person inside of there. What the fuck? Look. Somebody you wouldn't compromise with because you want your new adventure. This person wants you to compromise what's for you. That's who this is here. So we have Cancer, Leo, Gemini, Aquarius could be relevant. Ancestor said yes. Okay, somebody here is doing that. They want you to compromise. These people are crazy. It's a Page of Cups in reverse, negative water. Yeah, they want to be a third wheel. I can't make it up. There's somebody here that wants to be a third wheel onto your relationship like a whore. Somebody who has no decency, okay? They can't calm down and they're trying to prevent an investigation. They don't want anybody looking into something. Everybody's looking into everything. Calm down. Their fate is in reverse. They don't got no money and nobody's listening to them. They can't treat you like a car so they could persevere. They want to tap into your imagination. They want to say they're sorry. They're full of garbage. They want to make you promises. It's garbage. You see them. You see them now. Okay? They cannot bully you. Now they can't have luck and they're sick. And maybe a marriage is over. Or it's going to be. What's under that? They can't disturb you anymore. Yeah. So we have Taurus. We have Scorpio, Gemini, Sagittarius, Pisces, Libra. They won't live and learn. Virgo. They need aid. Instead, they ask for aid so they could relax. That's how they relax. It's by asking for, can you give this to me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you do this for me? They're not very independent. Whoever, not all Virgos. Not all Virgos. Just these particular people. Okay, we have also Leo. Could be going through this struggle of dependency. Cancer or Gemini as well. Or, yeah, Gemini. Yeah. With the magic. So it's like if somebody doesn't help them, they do the magic to relax and get a promise out of somebody. You know what I'm saying? Like they got to push it. They got to make you do it. We have Virgo again. Yeah, they want to cause conflict with you so they can sleep at night. I'm telling you, don't fight with these people because it gives them peace. It gives them peace. It makes them think, oh, maybe we're going to be together. They're not protesting against me anymore because now they're fighting with me. No, we hate you. Bye. You cut off. They can't plan a blessing or a sacrifice or offer up to their deity. They can't schedule one. Okay, their family's in reverse. Maybe they did it to as many people in their family as they can to succeed, but they can't anymore. Okay? Daydreams are over. The fantasies are done. Cut. Ancestor said it's over. Whatever you were doing, I hope you enjoyed it because it's finished. It's finished. Was it fun? Because it's over now. That's it. Finished. That's it. It's just finished. These people had their time to do this, whatever it was. Somebody's gasping though. And they want you to sacrifice themselves for them. You took somebody's supply. Yeah. Supply is here without the, sometimes I look at J like a L. So supply is here without the U. And that's what they gas. They need air supply. Air supply. Yeah. Casa, they could have come to the house. They're coming to the house to do this. Like I said, they want to show up to your door to get this air. It's like, you won't give it to me. I gotta come and take it. You don't want to give me the money. I'm gonna show up to your house and take the money from you. That's what this person, this air is like money for this person right now. They're struggling, whoever this is here. Pace is here. Pacer could be significant. Somebody trying to pace themselves or pacing. That's like moving, air, running or something, moving. Pacing behind somebody. You might want to, I don't know, maybe at the park, somebody was pacing behind someone or something like this here. All right, let me see. We're at 52 minutes. Couple cards here. Oh, what do we see here? Cape. Cape is significant. Bag. Sip. Sippy cup. Sippy cup is back out. It's not spelled correctly, but sippy cup is back out. So this is somebody who, again, that pie and pedo, okay, that I don't remember that reading, but this person was holding on to the sippy cup and doing some things, inappropriate things here while watching someone through a mirror. Okay, so this could be related. Somebody's obsessed with holding on to sippy cups of children or something. They're being watched. Okay, they're being watched. Maybe because of the readings that they're doing or something they're doing involving reading or books or some type of education or knowledge they have. They're being watched by the bees. Yeah. They're struggling. Their life is struggling right now. And again, something may be coming to an end for this person. That's my cremation card. Okay, because of what they did to a child here. They keep trying to do something to a child. They could keep... this could be ancestors. This could be police. Anybody good that's a watcher. That's what the bees card is. Anybody who's, angels, okay, winged creatures, stuff like that. That's how that card is for me. And they're watching over this child that somebody's doing readings on, or maybe a child while they're reading, somebody keeps trying to do something while the child is reading something. Again, brainwashing and stuff. Communication. Okay, that's why the shovel and the urn is here. Because somebody doesn't know how to leave children alone. Yeah, somebody's not somebody's friend anymore. Because ancestors are just blowing. Ancestors showed you something. Ancestors showed you something about this person. Or the bees did. Somebody did. Yeah. So you covered yourself. You protect your head. You should be. Or maybe you protect, the child's head needs to be covered, okay, collective? Maybe the child's head needs to be covered for somebody, okay? Because they want their Ace of Cups. And they're attacking the head. They're trying to groom the child through the head or the hair of the child or something. But cover the child's hair or something, okay? Because they're trying to clean up a mess or something. They need some honey from this child. They need some supply, child. They want to reverse the child for protection and coverage. Insurance, maybe. Coverage. They need protection. So the child can't play no more. The child can't sit. These people are sick. I don't want to pull anymore. Okay, they're being watched. They're sick. They're sick and crazy. They're sick and crazy. They can't sacrifice nobody. Go to hell. You're not watching nobody. You're not giving anybody's carrots. You need to go to hell. These people are disgusting. Okay, they don't want to have dirt. You're going to have dirt. Dirt is here. Dirt is here in the bed. The bed dirt is coming out. That's it. Something want to be dirty in the bed. They want to be dirty in the bed. Can I make it up to you? Okay. They're disgusting. These people act like they love children, but they're liars. They're liars. They're pedos. They don't love children. They hurt children. They stalk children and they steal from them. They steal from adults too. But they're not somebody's friend anymore. Maybe somebody's imaginary friend. Somebody was trying to be a child's imaginary friend behind their parents' back in their home. Through the television and their devices. Yeah. Yeah. And they thought that was okay. Until they got caught. And now they're out here just acting crazy. Okay? But that's what I have for this reading. These letters are definitely relevant. Pi is here again with a Y. Pi came out several times. So these people are pedos, like I said. That's what they are. No pedo is going to come out and say I'm a pedo. Okay? Find me one. Find me one that comes out and says that's what they do. Find one, please, and tag me. Let me know. And if they are doing it, they're crazy or they're kidding around or something, because the internet's being monitored. Everybody's being monitored. So what makes these people think they're not being monitored and watched? I couldn't tell you. They watch everybody. Maybe they have to, because people, this world is crazy. I mean, I'm not saying that monitoring is right or wrong, but I'm saying this world is crazy. These people are crazy. So perspectives change as you deal with people like this. You start to wonder, oh, maybe this is why they're watching everybody. Again, I'm not justifying it or defending it, but I could understand a little bit more when there's people like this in the world. Maybe you got to watch, you got to see what's going on. Somebody's got to see it. So my perspective has shifted a tiny bit. Again, I'm not all that and all this, but I see why these people need to be, because they're crazy. They don't have any self-control. Confirmation with a little honk. All right, collective, I will see you on the next reading.